I think I messed up my brother printer. Now the black ink won't print at all. But there's a quick fix. Let me show you how. First, check your ink levels. Low or empty cartridges are the most common reason for black ink problems. If the black ink is out, replace it with a new brother cartridge. Still not printing? Open your printer settings and run a nozzle check or print head cleaning. These options help clear any blockages inside the printer. You might need to run the cleaning process a couple of times for stubborn clogs. Next, make sure your cartridges are installed correctly. Take out the black cartridge, give it a gentle shake, and snap it back in place. Sometimes the connection gets loose. If that didn't work, check your printer driver on your computer. Go to the Brother website, download the latest driver, and install it. An outdated driver can stop the printer from working right. Still having trouble? Try turning off the printer, unplugging it for 1 minute, and then plugging it back in. That can sometimes reset any errors, and if none of these steps work, it may be time to talk to Brother support. But for most people, these quick fixes will get your black ink flowing again, fast.